Hello, I'm Los Angeles County Supervisor Knabe, and I just wanted to have a little candid conversation with everyone and let you know there's been a lot of debate and a lot of press coverage here recently about this MTA sales tax, and as I made it quite clear that I'm opposed to the increase at this particular time. Number one and foremost, I think with the nature of the economy the way it is and all the other measures that are going to be on the ballot that are going to cost the taxpayers money, I just don't think it's a good time to raise the sales tax. That will make Los Angeles County the highest sales tax county in the state of California. And so whether it's good for the individual taxpayer or business, it could be a driver both ways. And so it's just not a good time. And number two, the equity issue. And while some of the debate has been framed about that I'm being territorial or that I'm just concerned about my district, I am. But let me explain to you what my district is for some of you that are going to hear this and live in different parts of the county or even my district. I have within the confines of my district, I have Los Angeles International Airport, gridlock. I have both the ports of Long Beach and the ports of Los Angeles, the 110 freeway, the 710 freeway, gridlock, truck traffic, movement of goods. 40% of all the goods coming into America are shipped through those two ports. An incredible burden on the citizens, not only of my district, but countywide. Alameda Corridor goes straight north through my district, but those trains don't turn left, they turn right and go out through the San Gabriel Valley, which is at the tail end of my district from Diamond Bar, Hacienda Heights, Rowland Heights, and that particular area. So I also have to be concerned about the 10 freeway, the 60 freeway, and the 57 freeway, the 5 freeway from Orange County, the LA County, San Bernardino County, whatever it may be. So I think I'm really looking at it at a very regional basis and not an isolated territorial little situation. And what concerned me was the framework of the debate. The first time the subway to the sea was ever really debated in front of the board of the MTA was at the time when we were trying to deal with this legislation and put this sales tax on the ballot. So it's not a little small inequity that I'm talking about. I know what the gridlock is because I have to sit in the gridlock just like you do all the time, moving throughout my district and throughout this great county. And so I just want to make sure that we address the issues on a regional basis. And some of those dollars may not go to my district or may not go to a real regional solution need that I have in my district, but at least the debate was there and all the issues of traffic and transportation and gridlock were out on the table, not just one. And so that, when we speak in terms of equity, that is what I'm talking about, the lack of equity, because the debate was so limited and not the real regional solutions, whether it be carpool lanes. I mean, you know, in my district, and many of you confronted it, coming from Orange County, the carpool lanes, they shut down right on the LA County border. From San Bernardino County, they shut down. And so we need to continue to deal with those issues. I just want a fair look, and there may be some point in time that I could support the sales tax, but not now. I don't think it's a good time for the taxpayers, and I certainly don't think the debate's been framed enough to really cover regional solutions throughout this great county of Los Angeles. I really appreciate you taking the time to listen to this. I know it's a long little comment, but I think it's going to help frame the debate in the weeks to come. So thank you for paying attention.